Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set a timer on your Instagram camera. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. On the homepage, swipe right to access the Instagram camera. One important thing to note is that the timer feature is only available for Reels, so you'll need to switch to Reels mode first. Once you're in Reels mode, look at the top of the screen and tap on the clock icon. Here, you can set your timer. Use the slider to choose a duration between 1 to 60 seconds. Below that, you can also set a countdown timer, selecting either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. After setting your preferences, tap Set Timer, then hit the record button. Instagram will count down, and once the countdown ends, it will start recording your reel automatically, and that's it. Now you know how to use the timer on Instagram camera for Reels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.